What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the thrift store. Gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go. All right, first things first, we got some video games. Got some Japanese games right here. Some Dynasty Warriors, I believe. Don't think they're worth much. Just Dance 2021 might have some more value than $4. See what else we got. Lego Marvel. World War II I think is worth more than $4, maybe, but maybe not, because look at that, $8.99. We'll snag it, why not? What else do we have here? Destiny 2, that's a free game now. Those prices are all a little high. More Japanese games, but Gundam, which is kind of cool. More PS3, lots of sports stuff. Alright. $10. There has to be a color that's on sale today, but I don't know what it is yet. So we'll just keep looking. Yeah, $8, which is weird that these ones are more expensive than the newer ones, but we'll keep flipping through. Okay, some NASCAR games actually hold really good value. This might be one of them. I'm not certain, but we'll stick it in the cart. I'll look up everything a little bit later. Now, 2K13 used to be worth money. It's come down quite a bit. This one also used to have some value, but it's not going to be worth it, I don't believe. This also used to have a lot of value. I don't believe it does anymore, but $6 might be worth it, and I believe it's complete. So a lot of times whenever I open these cases, people always say, well, there's no disc inside. They keep the discs behind the counter, so people don't steal. Let's see what else we got. Minecraft used to be good. $10 is a little high, but it might be worth it. SSX for $4 is not bad. Maybe Van Helsing. Okay, now we have a lot of Wii games here. Oh, we have another Star Wars Battlefront 2. Cool. $8 on that one though. That's a lot. Here we go. This is interesting. A Japanese SSX Tricky. I've never seen this before, and that cover is kind of wild. This game looks, I don't know if it's the same game or not, but insane. That's just pretty cool. All right, let's see what we got for the Wii here. Slide some stuff over. Alright, what do we got? Alright, so we're gonna head to the toys and to the back of the store because they brought out a brand new cart of goods and people started swarming it, and I'm not gonna be a crazy person, so we're just gonna go to the spots where there's not a lot of people. Alright, sports cards, and it's $1.99? Oh no, $11.99. So $12 for a bunch of junk wax. Definitely not gonna be worth it. A lot of cards that you see that look like this from the 80s and 90s. There's almost none of them that are worth money out of the millions and millions that they printed. Now, of course, there's always some exceptions, but I would definitely pass up on that for $12. Even though I can't tell what's in the middle, I assume it's all junk. Now, this is kind of cool. We have a vintage Yahtzee game, Member Mouse Party Edition, Disney Vacation Club. It looks like a specialty item. I don't know. And oh, what else? We also have a brand new Lego set in here, Lego Creator. This is only $1.99, so we'll take that for $2. Yeah, that looks good. All right, we just found another right here, $1.99. It does have a sealed Lego set. Now, these Lego Stunts Racers are not worth that much, but for $1.99, I think I'm gonna snag it because there's also a Spot It game in here I could put on eBay, so why not for $2? This is kind of cool. We have the 7 dwarves right here, 4, 5, 6, 7, all 7 of them for $4.99. They're like these kind of plastic figures. It says Disney on the bottom and made in China. I assume they're legit. They look legit, but I've never seen these exact ones. Do you think it's worth it? Should I grab it? I'm gonna look into it a little more. Alright, so I found it. They are bath toys and they sell for $20 altogether. I'm not gonna spend $5 because that's $20 with free shipping, so leave them behind. And I looked up here and I noticed more junk wax baseball cards. Even at $3.99, it's not gonna be worth it, leaving them behind. All right, this is kind of cool. For $2.99, I haven't seen tech decks in a long time. And there's a good amount of them in here. Some like different shaped ones and longboards and all that cool stuff. They're in kind of rough shape. Some are missing the grip tape completely. Some are, you know, in kind of rough shape. So I think I'm gonna leave them, but maybe there's value here. Let me know if I made the wrong decision in the comments. All right, this is kind of wild. We have an Amazon.com bookology game. How old is this? The complete game of books. This is kind of wild. It's not worth anything. It's from 1999. Wild. That's a shame I'm not going to sell it on Amazon. I am a total sucker for sealed big box PC games, and green is half off today, so it's only $2.50. Total Titanic: A Night to Remember. Whoa, almost dropped it. This looks kind of cool, and I'll take it for $2.50. Why not? All right, you can see we have the toy aisle here. We have a Pokemon memory game, which I just picked one of these up. Hopefully I can pop a little clip in here of when I grabbed this, but I don't think it's the same one. I think I grabbed an older one than this because I think there's newer Pokemon on here. Yeah, this is from the year 2000. This is kind of cool. It's only 99 cents, so I think I'm gonna grab it, throw it in the cart. And then I noticed a Pokemon puzzle right here. Now, big issue. Used puzzles, granted it's only 100 pieces. Do you think all the pieces are in here? Should we take the gamble? It's only 99 cents. Let's see if it's worth anything first. And this is why you always check. So here it is before I even think about opening it up. You gotta check the price. Only selling for $7.99 brand new. Gotta leave it behind. Oh, here we go, guys. I feel like a shark in real life. This is pretty sweet. Shark Tank the game. Only $1.99. I can't imagine this is worth money, but I'll show you guys how I look it up. I have my Amazon seller app open right here. I'm gonna hit the barcode scanner. We're gonna scan it in. If we could get the barcode to read. There we go. And oh, okay. Not bad, brand new. It's selling for $38. And used, we're looking at about $30. So we could take a look and see my gross proceeds right here, $20. And it's only 2. Are all the pieces in here? Do I just take the gamble and bring it home and count later? I'm gonna do it. Here we go, taking a look at the electronics here. What do we got? We have a TV, or is this a computer? Oh, it's a touch screen. 125 bucks though. But that's kind of cool that it's a touch screen and it seems to be working. Connected to the internet. Pauses. Ooh, that's actually kind of neat. I'll look into that maybe. I don't think it's gonna be worth that much. But I really love finding pencil sharpeners, and I haven't found one like this in a long time. I don't know if it's still worth money, but the X-Acto brand is usually pretty good. Same goes with these jog-proof CD players. They can sometimes be worth money, as well as Nintendo Wii remotes. $8 though. Ooh, and it's missing the battery cover. We'll leave that behind. This I might end up grabbing. So the cart is looking pretty good, but I found a bunch of DVDs. I decided to skip the DVDs in the beginning and just look around the rest of the store because I usually look here first. But from what I'm seeing, I don't think there's too many new things that have been put out in this section. I could be wrong. I'm gonna do one quick look over, but when there's a big gap like this and it just, I don't know, nothing looks like it's crazy standing out to me. But I will take a quick look. That's what I'm doing right now on camera. Like, maybe that's worth something. It's $2.99. It's brand new sealed. Let's look it up together. Why not, right? Maybe I'm completely wrong and there's a lot of money sitting here, and then I'll be really happy. So let's try and look this up. Oh wow, okay, sweet. This is used 34, no new. Okay, that was actually really good. So we'll stick that in the cart, and I'm just gonna keep looking, and every single one that I find, I'm gonna go through most of these, every single one that I find, I'll put in a little corner or maybe right up front here, and you guys can see out of all this work that I'm gonna have to do, how much I actually end up finding. Let's do it. All right, after spending a good amount of time over here, this is what we got. Not much. So was it worth my time? Maybe, maybe not. You know, it took maybe 15 minutes or so to go through most of the ones that I didn't know. And found this was brand new sealed for $2, selling for about $30, so that's not bad. The Thornbirds, $2 as well. I'm gonna make about $4 or $5 on it. And then this Social Misfits movie right here, it's only $2, but has kind of a bit of a higher rank, so it's gonna take a little bit longer to sell. And you know, I'll make about $20 on it, I believe. I didn't even check the quality of the disc. It has some scratches, but I could actually clean those up with my disc cleaner. So, you know, I think it was worth it, especially because I came over and found this right off the bat. So I'm happy with it. I just realized, I don't think I showed you guys that I found these. We have a game right here called Spinaroo. I always try to look up games by Think Fun. They always seem to be worth some pretty good money. This one's going for about $30, $35, and it's only $2. It's used, but that's what's going for, used. I don't know if all the pieces are in here, but I'm just gonna take the $2 gamble and check later when I get home, and if it's not in there, I lost $2. This apples to apples right here, $2. It's brand new sealed, has all of its seals on each corner, and this is going for about 50 bucks right now, so super happy about that. And then you guys saw the total Titanic, the memory game, and all that. So I'm gonna just double check the value on these games right here and see which ones I should put back, which ones I should keep. So after scanning through everything, this is what I'm left with for the video games. NASCAR was worth it, which is nice. Just because this is complete, it's worth it, which is nice. I don't think this was worth it. I don't know why I didn't put it back, so that has to go back. So I'm literally left with three, because the Minecraft, I'll make about $8 on the 10, so I figure it's a quick seller, I'll do it. And then, sadly, I gotta put back the Japanese games. You know, they're usually not worth money, and these two aren't really worth anything at all, sadly. The SSX Tricky is never sold on eBay from what I saw, and this Gundam game does sell, but only for about 15 bucks, and that's 15 bucks with free shipping. So after shipping, I'm only making a couple bucks on it. I don't really want to mess with it, so I'm gonna leave it behind. Alright, so I think I'm happy with what I got right now. I think it's time to head out and, you know, actually go through these baggies and see if I made a good purchase price, maybe count some pieces up. I really hope everything's complete in here, but I gotta go get some cash because this place is cash only. So gotta be prepared, and I was not.